Good morning, 5th grade class. Today we're going to be learning about place value and negative numbers. If we remember, just to review, when it comes to place values, we have our hundreds, our tenths, and our ones place. So in this first example, we have 300 minus 153. We start off with this number, put it right at the top. In the hundreds place, we are at 300. In the tens place, we are at 0. In the ones place, we are at 0. And we move on to 153. In the hundreds place, we are at 100. In the tens place, we are at 50. In the ones place, we are at 3. And what we're going to do next is subtract, as we have been doing for the last couple of weeks. So 300 minus 100 is going to be 200. 0 minus 50 is going to be negative 50. 0 minus 3 is going to be negative 3. And then we subtract these three bottom numbers. 200 minus 50, that gives us 150 minus 3, and 150 minus 3 is 147. 147. And now we are going to give a chance for the students to practice on their own. Okay, so first, in the hundreds place we have what?
500.
500, so write down 500. In the tens place, we have what?
0.
0. In the ones place, we have what?
0.
0, okay? And if we move on to 152, what do we have in the hundreds place?
100.
100. In the tens place?
50.
50. In the ones place?
2.
2. Okay, and if we subtract both of these numbers together, what do we get?
400.
400. Okay, what's 0 minus 50?
50.
Negative 50. Okay, what's 0 minus 2?
Negative
2. Okay, and if we subtract the bottom three numbers together, what's 400 minus 50?
350.
350. Minus 2?
348.
Okay, so minus 2 equals 348. Okay, and if we move on to this top one over here, and we go ahead and get started, what do we have in our hundreds place for 136?
100.
100. Okay. What do we have? I think the pen isn't working.
Yeah.
Okay, yes, use that one instead. Okay, we have 100. And in our tens place, what do we have?
30.
30. In our ones place?
6.
Okay, and for 78, what do we have in our hundreds place?
0.
0, correct. In our tens place?
70.
In our ones?
8.
8. And if we subtract both of those numbers together, what do we get for the hundreds place?
100.
100. What do we get for the tens place?
40.
Negative 40. What do we get for our ones place?
2.
Negative 2.
Negative 2.
Okay, and if we subtract all of those three numbers together, what's 100 minus 40?
60.
60, correct. And 60 minus 2?
58.
Of course, okay. Thank you. And that is our mini lesson for 5th grade place value and negative numbers. Thank you.